Alrighty, Chef Buck here. Hope everybody's having a great weekend. I don't have a cooking video because we are currently in Florida. So I wasn't able to shoot and upload or edit a video this week. I did actually shoot a video, and I will upload this video. So that's not true what I just said. I didn't have time to edit a video because we're house sitting and we were in an evacuation zone, so we had to go inland for a couple of days and hunker down with family. And we were fortunate enough that the hurricane did not hugely end up impacting where we're at, so we were able to come back and the power's back on, and we're feeling super duper fortunate. And it reminds me how lucky and that's it. Sincerity is not my strength, but thanks for watching, and something coming up right here, and I'll see you next weekend. Bye-bye.
You have sleep warmth.
I have a fever.
You don't have a fever.
I'm having a nightmare.
Yeah.
You were talking back and I had to slap you repeatedly.
Sounds horrible.
It was. My hands really hurt.
Hey, if I was in a terrible accident and I look like this, would you still love me?
No.
Maybe we should get a dog. Or maybe we should have a kid before I get too old.
You are too old.
I never knew love before. I never knew love before. Found you. Everything without you. Plain to see to me. All I need. Satisfy me.
God said you weren't supposed to do that.
You gonna be home tonight? I need you to be home tonight. Marianne's gonna come by. She's gonna bring her cat. We're gonna need to watch her cat. Okay? You gonna be home? Are you gonna eat that whole damn cookie?
What?
I just need you to watch Marianne's cat.
Cats don't need to be watched.
The cat is starting a new medication. Nobody's gonna be there. Make sure it's okay.
Cats don't take medicine.
What are you, a vet now?
I'm not a cat watcher.
You are today.
Everybody wants change, nobody wants to do it. Everybody, I should say, wants progress, but nobody wants to change. Everybody wants their life better, but nobody wants to do the push-ups, the running. Whatever gets rewarded